So we're back out in Sedona. We're doing a route called Devil's Hot Chicken with an awesome group of people. We got Paul and Amanda, and we're with Keegan. Eric's unfortunately at work today, but this should be pretty sweet. None of us have ever done this route. Looks like it's gonna be awesome.
Fantastic.
Look natural, guys, look natural. Check out this view. Rope. You look good. You're locked and loaded. Have fun. Rope. Rope. Ah, here it comes. There you go. Rope. You're set. Go ahead and have fun.
Go, Mandy, you're so cool, you're so cool. Do the dance, work it out.
Rope.
Nice.
So we just came down that, babe?
Heck yeah. So cool.
Am I doing it right, Josh? Josh, am I doing it right?
You're doing great.
You should get that sunset, man.